Hi, my name is Enthusiast, and we are glad to bring you our weekly recap from Web3bridge cohort 12. In this video, we'll be talking about blockchain, distributed ledger, and
consensus mechanisms.
So what is blockchain? Blockchain is a list of records called blocks that stored data publicly in orders of time. So in blockchain, informations are encrypted using cryptography so that the user's data will not be compromised, and their privacies and everything that has to do with their informations will not be altered. So unlike traditional institutions that we are used to, so in blockchain, users' informations are not controlled by a central authority. So everyone that has access to the blockchain network are regarded as participants. So each participant has the digital ledger of all the transactions that happens on the blockchains. The distributed ledger is a type of database that is synchronized and shared among several institutions, so it has multiple points of failure, unlike the traditional database that has only one single point of failure. It is this distributed ledger that the blockchain technology uses. So the transactions, data, and the user's information are being stored on the distributed ledger. We can just say every blockchain are distributed ledger, but not all distributed ledger are blockchain.
Consensus mechanisms is like a process of agreement among the participants in the data system of blockchain. So when they are doing a transaction in the blockchain, so we make use of all these consensus so that our participants will be able to trust and ensure that their data is safe on the blockchain. So in these consensus mechanisms, we have proof of work and proof of stake. Proof of work, this is a process whereby nodes will solve a mathematical puzzle, and the first node to achieve that, to first solve that mathematical puzzle, is going to be the owner that will validate all those data. And then after validation, there is a reward that is going to collect a freshly minted ethers. And then before, Ethereum was using proof of work, but now they're now using proof of stake. And in proof of stake process, you need to have three things for you to become a validator. We have the consensus client, we have the execution client, and the validators client. So also when Ethereum moved to proof of stake now, so for you to become a validator, first you need to stake a 32 ETH. So this process will now qualify you to become a validator. And the second client, you need to have a node that you are running. In proof of stake, a validator is chosen as random to propose a new block. So after the validator is chosen, so you then propose a new block. So the other validators will need to agree so that the block gets verified and then into the blockchain.